What is a monorepo? A monorepo, short for monolithic repository, is a software development strategy where multiple projects, packages, or applications are stored in a single version control repository. Think of it as one big container holding all your related code. Traditionally, different parts of a software system, like the front-end, back-end, mobile app, and shared utilities, are kept in separate repositories. Each repository functions independently, which can lead to complexities in managing dependencies and coordinating changes across projects. Here's how a monorepo might be structured. Inside a single repository, you'll find folders for different applications, such as front-end, back-end, and mobile, as well as folders for shared packages like shared utilities and UI components. All these components live together under one roof, simplifying the overall project structure. Monorepos have several key characteristics. First, they facilitate shared dependencies, allowing common libraries and tools to be used across multiple projects. Second, they offer unified versioning, providing a single version control history for all projects. Third, they enable centralized tooling, consolidating build, test, and deployment tools in one place. Finally, they support cross-project changes, making it possible to make atomic commits that span multiple projects. Monorepos offer numerous advantages. They simplify dependency management, making it easier to manage and update shared code. They promote easy code sharing and reuse, reducing duplication and improving consistency. They enable a unified build and test pipeline, streamlining the development process. They support atomic cross-project changes, ensuring that related changes are committed together. They foster better team collaboration, as developers can easily access and contribute to different parts of the system. Finally, they facilitate consistent code standards, as all projects adhere to the same guidelines. Despite their advantages, monorepos also pose some challenges. They can lead to large repository sizes and slow clones, requiring more storage space and longer download times. They necessitate complex build system setups, demanding expertise in configuring and managing build processes. They can complicate CI/CD configuration, requiring careful planning and implementation. They introduce access control complexity, as permissions need to be managed for different parts of the repository. They often require specialized tooling, adding to the learning curve and infrastructure costs. Finally, they can encounter scaling issues with growth, demanding careful attention to performance and optimization. Several popular tools can help manage monorepos effectively. These include NX, a smart build system with computation caching; Rush, a scalable monorepo manager by Microsoft; TurboRepo, a high-performance build system for JavaScript and TypeScript; Bazel, Google's build tool for large code bases; Yarn Workspaces, native monorepo support in Yarn; and Lerna, a tool for managing JavaScript projects. When should you consider using a monorepo? Monorepos are well suited for tightly coupled projects, where multiple applications share common libraries and dependencies. They are also ideal for single team or organization environments, where all projects are maintained by the same group. Monorepos are beneficial when frequent cross-project changes are needed, allowing related changes to be made atomically. Finally, they are useful when shared tooling and standards are desired, ensuring consistency across all projects. Many well-known companies have successfully adopted monorepos. Google uses a single repository with billions of lines of code. Facebook manages React, Jest, and other open-source projects in a monorepo. Microsoft employs monorepos for TypeScript, VS Code, and Azure projects. Uber utilizes monorepos for microservices and shared libraries. Stripe leverages monorepos for payment infrastructure and software development kits, or SDKs. Finally, Twitter uses monorepos for web, mobile, and back-end services. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.